Today, we want to address a problem that many data scientists often mention. 90% of their machine learning models never reach production. And even for the ones that do, the process takes an unreasonable amount of time. The primary reason for it is that deploying a model to production demands skill set beyond data understanding, feature engineering, and model building. For example, writing the API development code, to deploying and scaling that code, to implementing the monitoring and observability servers and building up explainability and business impact pipelines. And even if there are machine learning and DevOps teams who can help you out, the communication delays and task prioritization itself can take weeks, if not months. We realized such a crucial problem demanded a solution, and our inspiration and strength to solve it comes from our experience in Facebook, where we followed the culture of you build it, you run it. In Facebook, we could design and deploy 3 models in a day with best practices such as monitoring alerting and auto-scalability setup. Our friends at Google, Uber, etc. confirmed similar practices, and the idea of TrueFoundry was born. TrueFoundry is your machine learning operations co-pilot, which automatically generates your APIs, handles auto-scaling, generates infrastructure as code, and the web app that allows you to get feedback from business users as they can perform the what-if testing easily and efficiently. You can do all of this right from the comfort of your Jupyter notebook. So let's see this all in action via a demo. We want to start with a simple multi-class classification problem. We can classify an iris flower into 3 classes based on an iris dataset with 4 features. Let's assume the data scientist has written the code to train the model and has written a simple function that can predict the class of the iris flower. Once you write the code, you can get started on our platform with a simple pip install, and then deploy the inference script with just a single command on the TrueFoundry system. With this automation, you will have a publicly available model endpoint. This can be shared with your engineers, and they can easily integrate the deployed model with the actual product in the production process. You can eliminate the integration back and forth with our automated API documentation and enjoy all your system metrics and ML monitoring dashboards completely deployed. Now, let's dive into it. After you share the deployed API endpoint, your machine learning engineers can send data points and your model will automatically start responding to the predicted class of iris flower. And with the generated documentation, your engineers have a complete visibility into what kind of data is passed and the response they can expect. When you want feedback from a business user who is not comfortable writing code, share this auto-generated demo, and they can try out the model for themselves and get on the same page. What's more? Built-in explainability. Yes, now you can understand why the model predicted a particular class and quickly locate the features that affected the predicted values to go beyond the base value in either direction. Not just that, you can receive explainability over an entire dataset to visualize the effect of every single feature on the predictions made by the model. Besides all of this, a built-in Grafana dashboard displays service level monitoring and system health level monitoring, and automatically plots systems latency graph and errors your model is facing. Along with that, on the machine learning observability dashboard, you can see the metrics of the model by providing a time frame, post which the relevant metric-related graphs are automatically generated. Verify the accuracy of your model across different slices of data like train, test, predict, and visualize any drifted features right there. You can even monitor the performance of the model across metrics such as the confusion matrix, accuracy, F1 score, precision recall curve for last trained and used model. Hey, it's not over yet. You can access all your generated links and the entire model management pipeline on this single 360-degree UI. You can track the models live in production, decommissioned, view and edit user access to the models. Even the automatically generated links you receive by running the deploy script are available in this UI as well. This system is built by engineers, for engineers, with backing from some of the best investors. Reach out to us to learn more about what we are building and become a part of the early users. For your access or any questions, visit us at www.truefoundry.com.